Are you having trouble turning on voice chat in Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch 2? Then don't worry and let me show you how to enable the microphone in just a single click. To do this, you'll need to launch Fortnite first. Now that we're in the game, you can see here that currently my microphone is muted. And to go there, just press plus, then from this settings menu, we'll need to go down to the microphone icon. So first of all, we'll need to go down to voice chat and press A to circulate between friends only, friends and teammates, or everybody. So just confirm your choice. And after that, you'll also need to change the voice method to either open mic or push to talk. And if you want to customize these options, then you can always do it later in the settings. And that's all you actually gotta do. Now all that's left is join your friends into multiplayer. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.